Let's make the Sea Monster Mai Tai from Kraken Rum. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my orange curaçao. Half an ounce or 15 milliliters of orange curaçao into my shaker tin. 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/4 ounce or 7.5 milliliters of ginger syrup. And I do make all my syrups at home. The recipe for this will be in the description down below. And 1/4 ounce of orgeat, 1/4 ounce, 7.5 milliliters. Again, recipe will be linked down below. Get some ice, add some ice, and give it a shake. Note that I did not forget the rum. The rum is coming. So I'm going to open pour this into the glass, assuming I can get it open. And I'm going to top this with crushed ice. I have my ice, I have my crusher. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed. I'm going to pour this into the glass until it's full-ish. Not bad. Then 2 ounces of the Kraken black spiced rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And once again, have my fingers in those little loops, which makes it very awkward. Let's grab it down here. That works better. Garnish. Garnish is going to be a sprinkle of grated nutmeg. I don't have grated, so I'm going to use ground. And some mint. Wake it up. Dip it in. And that's it. The Sea Monster Mai Tai. Drink with good spirits. I would suggest stirring before you drink, because that's a lot of rum.